guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I literally had to muster up the energy to do anything. I don't know why I feel so drained, probably because I'm being tortured by birth control. But anyway, happy holidays. I keep forgetting to say that. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been here before, you know. So yeah, I just detangled my hair, put a little bit of conditioner on there because it was really dry. But tomorrow, Silk Persiana will be stepping, big stepping, okay? Silk Persiana will be in the building, okay? Silk pressed for the gods. So yeah, excited about that. Probably gonna go to Crumble, and then we're gonna finally put up the tree and stuff. Zania was still not feeling well. She hasn't been to school. Tomorrow will be her first day back, so we wanted to wait till she was like 100% so we could, you know, decorate the tree and everything and be able to vlog it. And I've been editing that God-forsaken vlog from the weekend. Okay, so I'm gonna try to be much more intentional about how I film, because I feel like I be trying to get everything. Like, I literally had to edit 109 minutes down to 50 minutes, however long that vlog is. So yeah. Whew. So yeah, I'm a little traumatized, but yeah, so see y'all tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog me getting my hair done, but of course I'll get me going there. I'll get her salon. I'll get, you know, before and afters and stuff like that. I don't know if she's gonna let me vlog the whole thing, but she probably will, but I probably won't feel like it. Yeah, I just did my skincare routine. Shout out to the Ordinary. I used the niacinamide, and I used the hyaluronic acid. I pre-cleansed with the squalene cleanser. It basically looks like this. But you know, it says squalene cleanser. Then I used my Ayana's Infusions bar. She has like some chamomile bar or something on her website, but she does restocks, so you have to kind of like stalk her page and text. But besides that, I'm trying to get a story time either tonight or on my way to get my hair done, or we're probably not on the way. But at some point I'm gonna get story time out, because I need to get story time out, but it's hard to do a story time when the kids are here. There's that. What else? Hair, Christmas decorations, oh, skincare. So yeah, I used that bar I used the squalene to pre-oil cleanse. Then I used the Ayana's Infusions detox bar or something like that. Then I got out the shower. I sprayed with my Naima's Nirvana Rose and Hibiscus Toner, Manifest Beauty. Then I put on my description. I was like, oh. Who's mad? Who? Oh, and what about me? Exactly. So we have to pick something that we all agree on. That's the one I told you I wanted. The flower bouquet. The TV. They have the TV. Babe, they have the TV. That's what I wanted. Where? Chicoletta. Ooh, Zazie. Got a good time. What you said, baby? Can you get one? Oh yeah, go ahead. What it feel like? Silk Persiana has arrived. Or whatever. So, we're not gonna do the treat tonight, but we're gonna do it tomorrow night. Okay, period. But I'm gonna try to film a story time either after the kids go to sleep or in the morning after they go to school, depending on the lighting, because I want to try to film one in the house and talk less with my hands. So yeah, but my princess made me a beautiful picture. She looks just like me. That was Coraline.
No, I mean like the Avatar movie, not Avatar as in like the animated Avatar.
It's the continue.
approximation. Turn around. So she's from behind the fallen iron curtain. That only narrows it down to say a couple hundred thousand before the masses. What's all that? Particulars they kept right outside the complex behind a burial ground. Managers been someone from
I need to put this on the thing with too. You need that sweet contrast, the spicy inside.
No, I don't speak Romanian. You speak English? Yes, I understand. I'm Latin. Is there anyone else there who knows
Now that's what I'm talking about.
You're saying that you were back to Latvia 2 years ago, am I right? I'm calling from the police department, not immigration. So we have nothing to do with deportation. Okay, yes, thank you. Hello. Hello. Business contacts in Eastern Europe. The sex was great. Not a sweatshop.
Okay, we're back up on the same outfit, but I had to get it. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Let's see.
Wow, y'all see that?
I see no opera. Oh, okay.
Minor H.
Can I put it in there?
Hold on, we have to figure out how to get it to stick. We need to cut this into a circle. night on it. Put a hole in it. We're gonna flip this. Perfect. Huh?
You gotta go to 3, then go to 4.
Tell me what this part. Alright. First project is done. Very bright. It's glowing. It's glowing.
Go to 3 right on it.
And by a plentiful waterfall.
Wrap this in a pink. Grab the hair like this. Hold on to it.
You gotta go to just right.
Oh, at least you tried. At this point, I think we're supposed to do cotton and not this little snow stuff, whatever the heck it is. So, yeah, there's that. But, you know, we gonna make it work. We gonna make it do what it do, baby.
What a joyous